Thanks to a good-natured group living on the island, the new year has brought an early reason for celebration in Caleta de Fusti. This expat pantomime, staged at the Bronzemar Hotel over January, entertained the masses and, even better, raised a ton of cash for local charities. The writer of this year's show, Amanda Ward, is thrilled to have helped.
It feels really good and it's great that people enjoy it. I love the fact that you look around, you see all the smiling faces, I know everyone's had a good time, and at the same time we've raised money for charity, so it's win-win. This year it's for Help Fuerteventura, which helps out animals on the island. Twinkle Trust, which also helps out stray animals. Fuerteventura contra el Cáncer, which is an association that helps women with cancer on the island. And the other one is Addis Fama, which is a disabled children's charity.
Alice in Underland packed out the tavern several times right up to the final night, where the all-important grand total was announced. Could last year's massive amount be topped?
We were very, very fortunate last year and raised the enormous sum, with your support, of €6,000. This year we have raised the sum of €7,000.
So good to be able to see the charities coming, collecting the money that we've raised. We are completely voluntary, none of us get paid for any of this. I mean, it's not just the people on stage, it's the crew behind the stage doing the lighting, the sound, the props, the scenery. Oh, people put so much time into it. It is amazing.
So the curtain falls on a higher note than ever before. Caleta Repertory Amateur Productions have excelled themselves once again, and they're not done yet. Arrangements are already being made for next year's comedy caper. This group that keeps on giving are firmly focused on fun that benefits everyone.